All right, so I want to show you how you can be able to edit your website. So the first thing you're going to do is that you're just going to type the name of your website, then you just add slash login. So when you type slash login, you just click on enter, then it will bring you to this page. So when it brings you to this page, then you're going to type in your username. So you just type in your username and your password. So at the end of the day, you just click on login. So when you log in, it will just take you to your to your dashboard. So this is basically your WordPress dashboard where you are going to perform all the whole magic. So at this point, we will at this point we will work with our pages. So all you do is to just hover over this place, then you just click on all pages. So this is where we are going to edit any page we want to edit. So let us take for instance that this is about us page. So for you to be able to edit this, you just going to come here, you right click on it, you say open in a new tab. So it's going to open for us to be able to edit and add any information that we want to add. So it's loading. All right, so basically in this video I will show you how you can be able to edit your WordPress website, and the process is quite simple. Like I said, the first thing you're going to do is to just type your website name.com/login. Then it will not take you to a place whereby you are going to put in your username and password. Then at the end of the day, then you just click on login. So when you log in, it's going to take you to your dashboard. It's going to take you to this place, to your dashboard. All right, so it's going to take you to this place. So for you to be able to make edits, all you do is to just come to pages. Then you all you do is that you will just hover over on this page. Then you just come to all pages. Then if it is a battles page you want to work on, all you do is to just still hover on it. Then you just come to this edit with Divi themes. So I use Divi themes to build this site because Divi theme is one of the best theme that is good to get good designs for WordPress website. So let us take for instance that okay, you want to write a blog post. This is where you are going to do it. All you do is to just come to this post, you just hover on it, then you just come to add add new. So why my that is loading, let us go back to our page, to our about us page. So this is where you are going to make all the whole edit to your site. So as soon as this page comes up, so you are going to hover on this 3 point, on this point where my mouse is. So all you do is to just click on it. So when you click on it, it will show uh, this button. So, and whatever you do at this point, you should always make sure that you save changes. So this is it. I have already done all this part before now. So then I have also created a point whereby I will add your vision, mission, and core value. So by the way, I am going to do that in a couple of minutes from now, but I just want to show you how you can make edit to your website, as I have said before. So let us take for instance that this core value, I want to write something on it. So for example, let me just check all what I have before for me to be able to create this core value for you. So from this, our first core value is integrity. So I will just write it, integrity. So second one is expertise. Then the third one is collaboration. Ah, while the last one is innovation. So at the end of the day, all I will do is to just click on save. So when I save this like this, it is going to make sure that it is if affected to the site. So let me just take for instance that I just come here and I type Jones Wise property compass.com. So it's going to load up and I come to about us. So when I click about us, I'm going to see all the whole stuff that I just did. So why that is loading, while that is loading, let me just at least add the vision. You say Josua's property compass and vision becoming a leading provider of real estate solutions guiding individuals and businesses towards their ideal properties with expertise, integrity, and innovation. So I have done that. So all I will do is to just click on this check mark to save it. So as soon as I click on that check mark, it's going to save that thing. So let me just try to point out a few things. For me to be able to edit this whole point, for me to be to be able to edit this whole session, this point is called is session. All I will do is to just come to this place, this button that look like a jar button. So I will just click on it, then it will just take me to where I will be able to edit it. So let me just add the mission of the mission of the company. So you say our mission at Jones Wise Properties is to empower our clients by delivering exceptional real estate services tailored to their unique needs and aspiration we strive to provide comprehensive guidance, market insight, and personalized solutions that foster trust and enable successful property transactions. So at the end of the day, all you do is to just click on save. This is save changes. So after saving changes here, then you must still also save changes here too, so that this stuff can take if effect. If you don't do this, the work, what you just type is not going to take effect. So always ensure you save changes before you close the page. So this is basically how to just edit your website. So another thing that I want to show you is that, let us go back to so by the time you can see here that, okay, those core value are not here. So let me just still refresh it and show you the vision mission that I just added. So you can see that it say vision Jones Wise properties compass, and vision becoming a leading provider of real estate solutions, guiding individuals and businesses towards their ideal property with expertise, integrity, and innovation. So you can see that all what we did actually showed up because we save changes. So without saving changes, your job will not take effect. So let me just go to this houses, hover product houses, then also show you a few things there. So let us take, for instance, this is houses. Is still loading. So say get started today by buying your dream home now. We help you get the best houses or property that suit your taste and luxury. Check out the houses we are currently selling. So this is just a few stuff about your business. So now let me just take, for instance, that I want to edit this place. So what I will do is to just come to this place and click on enable visual builder. So this will now allow me to be able to edit this page. So all I will do is to just click on it. So when I click on it, it is going to load up like this. You just allow it for a few minutes or a few seconds, depending on how fast your network is at that time. So you can see now that it is now showing me, okay, a bus around this place for me to what, for me to be able to edit this stuff here. So if I should click on this setting, it means I want to edit this whole part that is being circled green. This whole part that is being settled green is called row setting. But if I should move inside and click this jab button, it means that I want to edit only this point that is gray. You can see it. It's a module setting, so it's for all this writing here. So this is it. But for me now, I don't want to edit anything in this place. So all I will do is to just scroll down. So take, for instance, that okay, I will just, okay, so the next thing to do is that after this visual builder shows up, so you have to always click on this three three dot to bring up your tools. So these are the tools that you, anytime you make changes, always make sure that you save your work, so that you can get the best from it. So without saving changes, all your job are going to be lost. So let me just try and look for your for your color. Okay, I'm not adding any page. So let me just go to your site and check for your site color. So so I just want to get the color of this place, right, so that I can know how to work on it. So I hope you are getting value from this video. If you are getting value, please subscribe to this channel so that when I drop awesome videos like this, you will be the first to receive them and watch them, to learn how to make money for yourself online. So all right, so I just want to check a few things here, such as this color, such as this color. I want to get the color code. I just come to design button. So this color code, all I will just do is to just copy it. So for this, I want to change that color. For me to change this button color, this search button, so I will just come here and click on this, paste the, so you can see that the stuff, it has changed to your color. So all I'll do is to just click on save changes. But first of all, I want to also change the hover color to this. So all I'll do is to just save changes now. So all I'll do is to just click on save changes. So I will also try to change this border setting, border. So I want to change this border color, this top border color. So what I will do is to just click on it and click on save changes. So like I said before, if you have to always do what, save changes whenever you make any little changes. So all I will do now is to just click on save changes. So the next thing that I want to change now is this this round box. So all I will do is to just click on this jar button and come to design, then come to I'll come to this place, then I'll come to image and icon, then I'll come to this place. I will, because this is the color that I want to change, this hash color. So all I will do is to just paste the color code, so you can see that it has changed to that color. So all I will do is to just click on this mango, which is save changes. So I will click on save changes. The same thing that I want to do here is this jar button that I'll click on, then I'll come to design, come to this image and icon, then I'll come here, then I will paste the color code that I have already copied before. At the end of the day, I'll just click on save changes. So it's the same thing you are going to do here. It's the same thing. So you just come to design tool, then you come to that place, then you just paste that color code, then you save changes. So when you do this, always make sure that you save changes so that your work will not be lost. If you don't do this, is means that it means that you just wasted your time. So the next thing I want to do is that I want to change this color to my to the brand color. So all I will do is the same thing. Just click on this jar button. Then I will now come to design, test, test. Then you come to button test. Then you click on this place. Also paste your color code. So you will also save changes like that. So that is basically how you can change this text color in the button. So you just come to button, then you click on button text color. So I will just also paste my code. So then I will click on this place, the same thing here. So I will just come here, then click on this. So after I have done this, I'm going to click on save changes. So you should always click on these save changes, else your work will not take effect. So the next thing that I want to do is to maybe houses we are currently selling. Check out our fast selling properties in Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt. So for you to be able to change all these things, the first thing you're going to do is that, like I told you, this green this green part is for the whole session. That is if you want to work on the whole session. But this time I want to only work and change this image. So what I will do is that to just hover on this, then I will come to this place where I have this jar button, then I will click on it. It will now show me like this. So I will, for me to change this particular image, I will just click on it. Then it will take me to this place to maybe either upload. Then if the file you want to put is on your system, so all you do is to just click on this place and click on select file. So if the file is saved to your desktop, you can just look for it. Let us take for instance, this is this let me just collect this majestic view. So then I can just upload it. Then you can see it. So majestic view. At the end of the day, you just click on upload image. So you can see that it has shown in this place. So don't forget, always click on this check mark for it to be able to save changes. Then later, after you have left that, then you will also come to these save changes to make sure that what you did actually save changes. So it's the same thing that you will do to all these. To all this, you just click on this place. I believe I still have some already on this place. Let me check. All right, so I already have some. So what I will just do is to just click on this one. Then I will just upload an image. It's loading. Let me go back and verify. upload an image, so you can see that the stuff I show. All you do is to just click on this check mark, then you will also wait a bit for it to roll, and then so now you can also click on save changes. Then you will also do the same thing, click on this jar button, then it takes you to this, then you just click on it again, so it will now load up all what you have inside here. So let me just put this gemstone. So when you put the gemstone, you just click on upload image. So the same thing, click on check mark, then the stuff is going to roll around a bit. So now you can now save changes. So that is basically how to do that. So the next phase you're going to work on is this place. So here, for you to be able to edit this point, is for you to click on this jar button again. So when you click on that, you're going to write the name of the estate. Say Majestic View Estate. Majestic View Estate. So now you're going to put the price. Let us the price is the actual price is 725 million for 500 square meter. Then 20 million for 300 square meter. So at the end of the day, you're just going to write all those stuff. So here you're going to write 500 square meter. 500 square meter is equals to what? Is 25 million naira. 25 million naira. So that is it. Then the next thing you're going to do is to write the cell C of O in view. So you can just come down and write title, then C of O in view. So at the end of the day, after you have done with all that, then this is land. Okay, it's still the same thing. So assuming it's okay, it's the same thing. So if it is 5 bedroom, you write it 5 bedroom, 3 bedroom, and all that. At the end of the day, you are going to click on save on this check mark. Then it will save. Then you also click on this save changes to ensure that everything you have done has saved changes. So this is basically how you are going to edit this part. So your next task is that you are going to be the one that we have to put this one. So maybe when you watch the video, follow the same step. I could have done all these things myself, but I saw that okay, that maybe you want to actually learn how to do this stuff. So that is why I am leaving this. So as soon as you watch the video, ensure to be able to do this exact same thing that I did. But should you have any problem, let me know so that I can be able to solve this and finalize this website design for you. So this is basically how to do it. So let us take for instance that I want to also edit this place. Then I can just click on this point, click on this jar button. Then I can write whatever thing that I want to write. So let me just take So all I'll just do here is to just say ready to buy now. So are you ready to buy now? So all I'll just do here is to just get in touch with me today to get amazing discount on the get in touch with me today to get amazing discounts on Port Harcourt. So all I'll do is to just then I want to make sure that your WhatsApp number is on this button. So when they hover over on it, it should be able to show green. So I'll just come to this place, then I'll click on so I'll just put your number. So tell 234 8033 4131. So at the end of the day, I'll just click on this save. Then I will also click on this save to ensure that all what I did really saved. So this is basically how you are to edit this page. This is basically how you are to edit this page. I believe this video is long enough, so I want to stop it here so that you can watch it and also give me some feedback. After you are done, let me know so that I can do the next video for you to be able to edit the next part. So maybe the next video that I will do is to show you how you can be able to write a blog post and post it on your site to be able to gain Google eye on your site. So that said, if you gain value from this video, please kindly subscribe to this channel so that when I drop awesome videos like this on website design, then you'll be able to be the first to receive them. So basically what I do is that I am a website designer and SEO specialist. Overall, I'm a digital marketer with several years of experience. I use the power of the internet to my benefit and to those of my client. So if you want to learn these web design skills, I have a course on it that you can actually get to help you grow in this space. So that said, I will just end this video here and bye for now. Don't forget, subscribe and like this video, share it to your friends, let them learn how to design a website like this with ease, without spending much money at the comfort of their home. Thank you very much for watching. May God bless you.